Hi everyone, my name is Talia Kennedy, and today I will be presenting my project called Unmasking the Unknown, How AI and Biochemical Tests Revealed P. vulgaris. This research was done at Miami-Dade College, Wolfson campus, with the guidance of Dr. Juan Morata. The goal of my project was to figure out what an unknown bacterium was by using both traditional lab tests and artificial intelligence tools. By combining hands-on experiments with computer analysis, I was able to confirm that the bacterium was P. vulgaris. Identifying bacteria is very important in medicine, research, and public health. Normally, we use gram stains, selective media, and biochemical tests to do this. These methods work well, but they can take time and sometimes offer unclear results. Artificial intelligence offers a faster way to check patterns and compare results with large databases. In this project, I wanted to see how AI could support traditional microbiology. By combining physical lab tests with computer analysis, I aim to identify an unknown bacteria and show how both methods can work together. To give a quick overview, I used gram staining, selective media, and biochemical tests, then compared those results with AI predictions. Both approaches pointed to the same conclusion. The unknown bacterium was P. vulgaris. This shows how AI can be a useful or helpful partner to traditional testing. To identify the bacterium, I first did a gram stain, which showed gram-negative rods. I then grew the bacterium on EMB and MAC agar to check colony appearance and lactose fermentation. The lactose test checks if the organism can break down lactose into acid. A positive result would show pink colonies on MAC agar, while negative results would be colorless. My colonies were colorless, meaning no lactose fermentation. I also did the indole test, which checks if bacteria can break down tryptophan into indole. A positive result would usually be a bright red color after adding Kovacs reagent. Because of a gas leak in the lab, sterile conditions weren't perfect, so the color wasn't as strong as expected, but it was still positive. After recording all results, I entered them into AI tools like ChatGPT and Bing Copilot. These tools compared the data to microbial databases and suggested possible identities. I also used a dichotomous key to double-check the results. The gram stain showed gram-negative rods. On MAC agar, the bacterium grew but did not ferment lactose, producing colorless colonies. EMB agar showed growth but no metallic sheen. The indole test was positive, though the color was weaker because of the gas leak. When these results were entered into AI tools, both ChatGPT and Bing Copilot identified the bacterium as P. vulgaris. This matched the manual identification using the dichotomous key. In conclusion, the bacterium was identified as P. vulgaris using both traditional lab tests and AI analysis. Traditional methods gave the main data, but AI was very helpful in confirming the results and making up for problems in the lab. For example, the indole test was affected by the gas leak, which made the color weaker than normal. Even with this issue, AI helped validate the outcome and give me confidence in identification. In my opinion, AI is not just helpful, it's becoming essential in reducing human error, speeding up classification, and making results more reliable. This project shows that AI is not just an add-on, but a strong partner in microbiology. In the future, AI can be trained with more bacterial species and used to help make predictions. It could also be developed into classroom tools where students enter lab results and get real-time identification. I'd like to thank Dr. Juan Morata for his guidance throughout this project. I also gratefully acknowledge support from the STEM Legacy Program, Koalis, and SHIP with funding provided by the U.S. Department of Education. Thank you for listening. This project showed how combining traditional microbiology with artificial intelligence can strengthen bacterial identification even when lab conditions weren't perfect. I'm happy to take any questions.